Hi, I'm George Geronsin. Welcome to 727 Brentwood here in Orange. This property resides in a great area in Orange, central location, very established community, right in the heart of everything. Nice, sleek, contemporary look from the outside with modern downlights, huge walkout balcony out of the master, and garaging for 3 cars. The great thing about this home is everything's been completely remodeled in the last 3 years, and it's done in contemporary, clean lines. So you have a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath pool house. Come take a look at the inside. All right, so this is the wowee factor when you walk in the front door. So I want you to look around and what you're gonna see. So everything is completely remodeled in this property. And this is the trending look right now. Very clean line, contemporary, light, bright. In the living room, you have the vaulted ceilings. You have the more contemporary type chandelier, the more clean modern staircase with the horizontal bars that come through. All your windows and doors in the property have been completely changed out. Your windows are trimmed out as well with shutters. So it just creates a great look. All the flooring downstairs, it's all hard surface flooring. So you have a mix, but the main level is all going to have the vinyl plank. So pretty much completely indestructible. When you come in through the family room, notice all the little touches. So you got the barnwood backdrop right here above the cabinets, and then great informal dining room setting with a ton of space that's got the French doors that lead out to the backyard, and everything in here, as you notice, is light and bright. So the kitchen area, the kitchen is completely open on both sides. So it makes this floor plan just completely flow from one side of the house to the other. The kitchen is almost brand new. Everything's been redone in the last 3 years, as I said. You have a 5-burner cooktop with the fan up top. It's very rare in this price point that you're going to get a high-end Thermador slide-in range and oven. So if you love to cook, you're absolutely gonna love this kitchen. All stainless steel appliances throughout. You have the quartz countertops, and then you got the newer shaker cabinets. I mean, it's just a great look in here. So notice on the back side, all the windows and doors that bring the outdoors in. So you get that blue from the pool coming in the inside, and then great family room. So this family room is not only long, but it's also wide. So you have the more modern type fireplace with the TV wall on top. And then notice on these beams on the top that have been painted out as well to kind of give it that contemporary type look. So right off the family room, you're gonna have the laundry area with the barnyard slider. The great thing about the laundry area is that it is massive. So it goes all the way back. On this side, you have storage for, they have kind of a shoe rack over there. And then over here, it goes all the way back, and then you have a door that goes to the outside. But if you wanted to, you could enclose this and put another door and have this as a completely separate storage room for Christmas decorations, old photos, whatever you want. But it's a great utility space. So coming out into the garage area, the garage, you have a 2 and then another single car. You do have the epoxy floors. Everything's finished off, so everything's drywalled in. This wall is actually, it's not a load-bearing wall, so if you wanted to, you could actually eliminate it. So the only post that needs to stay in place structurally is this one right here, but otherwise, this can be eliminated, this can be eliminated, and then you have your 3-car, or right now, the way it's set up, it's plenty of storage. So coming out the family room to the rear yard, the nice thing is it's kind of got that mid-century modern type feel because it's a wall of glass on the entire backside. But when we come out here, the great thing about how this lot is set up is that the exposure of the property is mostly north and south. So your pool is gonna get sun pretty much all day long, which is really, really nice. You got a huge pool area. It is a diving pool. So you have about 8 feet, 9 feet as far as depth. And then you got a nice shallow area as well. So So you got some great space over here that if you want to actually put some grass over here for the dogs, you'd have the ability to do that. Or if you have a green thumb, unlike myself, you can put some nice garden boxes over here. Great area to garden because again, you're getting light pretty much 24/7 on this area. And then you got a nice little area over here as well that you can incorporate. So if you want to bring the grass all the way over here, you could do that. And then there's that door on the back side that has access to that laundry room. So back off the family room is going to be the main hall and entranceway. I'm going to point out a couple things here. So what they did, what was nice underneath the stairs, is they actually enclosed this and made this into a walk-in pantry area. And then down the hallway is going to be your main floor powder room as well for all your guests. So again, remodeled, quartz tops, shaker cabinets, linen tile on the floor with the beaded surround. Okay, so now we're gonna head upstairs where you're gonna find all the bedrooms. So all 4 bedrooms are up. And the great thing is you're gonna notice the staircase is such a nice feature when you enter, just because of the rails, and also all the stair noses and everything that are done in the LVT are flush with the actual level of the stairs. So great finish work. So coming up to the top of the landing, you have the first bedroom is going to be on the left-hand side. All these bedrooms are actually really good size, especially this bedroom. This bedroom is going to have actually 2 closets, one on the left, one on the right, and it's going to have a nice little built-in office desk area. So great kids room. And again, notice all the flooring too. You're going to find the vinyl plank is going to be everywhere throughout, all up the upstairs. So coming to the right of the stairs is you're going to have your master suite, which is going to be directly off the right and off the front. So really good size master suite. It's going to accommodate a king size bed and 2 side tables easily. You have dual doors that enter, and then you got a nice balcony off the front too. So you're going to get a lot of natural light that's going to be coming in, and you can walk out here at night, see the stars, see the fireworks from Anaheim when the Angels are winning. So right off the bedroom area is going to be the ensuite master bath as you kind of come down the hallway. Everything is completely remodeled. Makeup station with quartz countertops. So you have a nice walk-in closet. Fully remodeled master bath with new vanities, shaker cabinets, Corian countertops, frame mirror. You have the porcelain tile. Fully remodeled master shower, enclosed in glass, and it's got the dual rain heads, the linen tile surround, and then they have the accented tile. So coming out of the master towards the back side of the house, you're gonna have the 2 remaining bedrooms, and then you're gonna have the hall bath. So look at the size of the hallway bath and how actually expansive it is. So you have a huge vanity with dual sinks, and you have a great space in the middle as well. So you have plenty of storage with doors and drawers, and hard surfaces again, tile floors, and then shower's been completely tiled all the way from floor to ceiling. So again, you have a really large secondary bedroom, newer windows, a lot of natural light that comes in, sliding closets with mirrored doors, and all hard surfaces throughout. The 4th bedroom is being utilized as an office. It has a nice built-in bookcase area and a lot of closet space with sliding mirrored doors. So normally I end the videos with the outro of the front door. In this case, this area is so amazing, and you're gonna keep wanting to gravitate back towards it. Not only are you gonna be spending all your time here, but the view with the light and everything that comes in and what they've done with this area and space in the house is just amazing. So I want to show it to you. Give us a call. We would love to show it to you personally. 714-602-3557. Look forward to hearing from you.